To use one-handed mode on a Realme Note 60, first let's open our settings. Then inside we need to navigate to the system, which should be on the bottom right here. Now you can use the one-handed mode right there when you're in the gesture navigations like I am right now, or if you're in the system navigation and change to 3 buttons, you won't be able to use it normally. So when we enter it right now with 3 buttons, as you can see, it's locked out. And to use it here, we need to activate the accessibility button. So now the one-handed mode is unlocked even with the buttons, and we can choose to either pull our screen into the reach or show notifications. And if you click on this button, it will perform one of the actions that you've selected. So we have pull screen into the reach, we clicked on the button, and now our screen is basically cut in half, and we can access our notification bar from here. If you instead selected show notifications and you press on this button, it will instantly pop open your notifications bar. And when we have that established, we can go back to our gesture navigations, and let me show you how to use that with the gestures navigation. So we need to go back again, enter one-handed mode, and as you can see right now, it's enabled. And we can enable again show notifications or pull our screen into the reach. It's the same things, but instead of this button, now we can just swipe it like that to perform one of the actions yet again. So as you can see, we have notification bar like that, and we can also show notifications by swiping right here on the bottom. You need to do it exactly right here, as if you try to do it like this, it won't work.